Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix power surge on the USB port error keeps pop up on Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click Generic USB Hub, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Third method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.